So we basically have that we want to walk 10,000 steps daily to be physically fit, and there are 2,000 steps in 1 mile. So how many miles are in 10,000 steps, right? So what do we do? Yep. 2,000 into 10,000. That would work. Yep. You can do like that if you want. Right? And just, we could guess how much it goes. I'll give you a trick. Why don't we just put our fingers over the 3 zeros on each number and just do 2 into 10. What's 2 into 10? Good. 5. And go, so now you put 5 there, so we multiply that by this, don't we? Yeah, so 5 times, well, you start with 5 times 0 was 0, 5 times this 0 was 0, 5 times this 0 was 0. You with me? And then 5 times 2 is 10, and now what? Subtract, yeah, and you get what? 0, so that's your remainder, isn't it? Yeah, it's a 0, right? And so the answer is what? $500,000. No, that's not the answer at all. No. The answer is just 5. Watch, check it. Do this. 2,000 times 5. What do you get? Okay, how'd you get that? Good. Good. So does that help understand? Does that help? Good. Right. So we literally figured out that 5 2,000s makes 10,000. So the answer is what? Yeah, and so what's the answer to the question? How many, the question is, what's the question? Okay, and the answer is? So the question is, how many miles are in 10,000 steps? And the answer is? The answer is 5 miles. 5 is the answer. 5, the number 5. Yep, that's what we found. So if you take 10,000 and if you split it into 5 ways, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Split 10,000 into 5 equal numbers. What do you get? Split it into 5 equal numbers, and what do you see? All right. So 2,000, right? 2,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. Each one of these is equal to 1 mile, because remember it said 2,000 steps to walk 1 mile. Remember that? So this is 1 mile, isn't it? This is 2,000 steps. 2,000 steps. Remember? Walking, like you're walking 2,000 steps. That's 1 mile. You think about that. Does that make sense? Walking. Okay. This is also 1 mile. This is also 1 mile. This is also 1 mile. This is also 1 mile, isn't it? 2,000 steps, 2,000 steps, 2,000 steps, 2,000 steps, 2,000 steps. How many miles do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 miles. 5 miles. 5 miles is the answer. In each mile there are 2,000 steps, and they all make up 10,000 steps, right? Perfect. Good deal.